Hey there, Crypto Nation. It's Layah Heilpern here with Exodus. A custodial crypto wallet versus a non-custodial crypto wallet. What's the difference? When you hold your cryptocurrencies, it's stored inside of a cryptocurrency wallet, a digital wallet that allows you to store your funds. You can also send and receive cryptocurrency from it. And some cryptocurrency wallets are accounts that you may have on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, for example. Now, at the heart of the cryptocurrency space is the intention to bring the power back to the people. And that is why innovators in this space have built and are continuing to develop what is known as non-custodial wallets. To understand the difference, let's begin by looking at custodial wallets first. If something is custodial, it literally means your data or your funds are in the custody or the possession of a third party. This means that they are responsible for looking after the information that you deposit with them. Banks are a great example of this. When you deposit your money with your bank, they own and have full access to your funds. You therefore have to trust that they won't run off with your money. But as always, there are concerns when it comes to trusting third parties. We've all heard of someone not being able to withdraw their funds or having their account frozen. You may have even had these situations yourself, requiring you to actually call your bank and sort things out. In some cases, you may have even read stories of governments seizing funds for a variety of reasons. There's also the most recent example of banks not behaving as ethically as they should. Leaked documents show some of the world's biggest banks allowed criminals to move dirty money around the world. Even within crypto, there are concerns with storing your assets in a custodial wallet like those operated by online exchanges. If the custodian is hacked, then those holding their money there are likely to lose it. The Japanese Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox is a great example of this. In 2014, they filed for bankruptcy after 850,000 Bitcoins were stolen. As a result, people holding their Bitcoin on this custodial exchange lost a lot of money. A more recent example of this is the cryptocurrency exchange called Riga. The platform owes 76,000 clients a combined $215 million in assets, because the CEO spent, traded, and used the assets that clients deposited with them. This is where non-custodial wallets come in. With non-custodial wallets such as Exodus, Trezor, Electrum, or MetaMask, you are in full control of your crypto. No account is required. You don't need to give up any private information, and you don't require the authorization of a third party to access your funds. A non-custodial wallet is like having a digital safe that only you have the combination to. Only you have access to the funds held in your wallet. You really are your own bank. Non-custodial wallets are the best option for those wanting greater control over their wealth, but they do require a higher level of responsibility because the security of your funds rests with you. If this video helped you to understand the two types of crypto wallets, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos from Exodus.